Tonight.
Order something off here. Hold the phone, man.
Vivian?
Vivian, it's Dr. Stedman. I think you still need support from a psychiatrist there in Los Angeles.
Lieutenant, it's your wife.
You robbed me of my husband. I robbed you of your wife.
They found evidence. Police.
Did they?
I'm not gonna rest until I find the one that did it.
The most personal case of his career. Rest in peace, Mrs. Columbo.
Tonight on Channel 36.
What do you say? What do you say?
Numbers are my life. Numbers never lie. I love them all. So when someone told me I can get a hamburger for 49 cents and a cheeseburger for 59 cents at Burger King, wow. And only Burger King gives me those great flame-broiled burgers fixed any way I like them for terrific numbers like 49 cents and 59 cents. I get chills. It's so exciting. To me, it's a perfect 10.
Your way, right away, Burger King now.
It's time to gear up for the National Farm Machinery Show's Championship Tractor Pull. Coming February 12th through 15 in Freedom Hall. Sponsored by ICI Agricultural Products. Top drivers and powerful machines battle for all the glory. You'll see multi-modified trucks, smokers, and more. All in 5 power-driven performances in Freedom Hall. Tickets are on sale now at all Ticketmaster outlets. The box office are charged by phone. It's the National Farm Machinery Show's Championship Tractor Pull. February 12th through 15. The big one's coming.
She never meant to fall in love.
You're a spy, Mr. Leland.
Yeah, you've seen too many movies, Miss Foss.
He never meant to put her in danger.
I will quit if you don't let me go.
I'll miss you.
Now, he must risk his life
I've got to get her out of there.
to save hers. A first-rate thriller rates G challenging. Michael Douglas and Melanie Griffith heat up the screen. Shining Through, rated R. Now playing at theaters everywhere.